Here's a question. When someone asks you, "How was your day?" do you first think the answer in your own language and then translate it to English?
Yes, every time.
95% of beginners do exactly this. And that's why you pause, why you feel slow, why speaking English feels hard. But today, in just 5 minutes, we're going to break this habit and train your brain to think directly in English. Welcome to English Wave. Today's lesson is different. We're not studying grammar. We're not learning new words. We're doing brain training.
Brain training? Like math puzzles? Sudoku?
No. English brain training means your brain starts thinking in English directly. No translation in the middle. Like when you're hungry, your brain says, "I'm hungry." Not your own language first, then translate.
Oh, that's exactly my problem. I always think in my language first, then I make it English. It takes so much time.
Exactly. And that's why when you speak, you stop, you pause, and the listener thinks, this person is confused. Today, we'll remove that pause with 3 simple exercises. Exercise number 1, name it in English. This is the simplest one. Wherever you are, whatever you see, say its name in English right now. It might feel silly, but this is what rewires your brain.
So, if I'm in the kitchen?
Then say stove, fridge, plate, glass, knife. That's it. Simple words, but important, directly in English. No other language in between.
Okay. And if I'm outside?
Car, tree, road, sky, cloud, anything. Just name it directly in English. Just 2 minutes a day. When you're making tea, when you're walking, whenever you're free. Just name things around you. This one habit changes your brain's default mode. And exercise 2? This one is even more interesting. Listen carefully. Exercise number 2, mini story in your head. In the first exercise, we used single words. Now, make a small story in English inside your head.
A story? I can't make stories in English.
Hey, it's not a novel. Just 3 to 4 sentences. Like, I woke up at 7. I made tea. I went to work. It was a good morning. That's it. Such a small story, but directly in English. No translation.
Can you give me more examples?
I went to the market. I bought eggs. The shopkeeper was friendly. I came home happy. This is your real life story, your day, your experience. Just say it in English, inside your head. You don't need to tell anyone.
So, about myself? My own day?
Yes, about yourself. Because when you think about your life, emotions are connected, and the brain absorbs emotional language much faster. Ask yourself, what did I do today? And answer in English. If these exercises feel helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. We bring you this kind of practice every single day. Daily dose of English straight to your brain.
Yes, subscribe now or you'll miss the daily practice.
Now, the last exercise, and this is the most powerful one. Exercise number 3, the what if game.
What if?
What does that mean? Imagine, what if I go to America tomorrow? And then answer in English, in your head. I will pack my bags. I will take my passport. I will feel nervous, but also excited.
Oh, wow. This one sounds difficult.
A little, but there's magic in this one. Because what if makes you imagine the future. And future imagination is the most creative part of your brain. When the creative part works in English, the language goes deep, really deep.
So, like, what if I meet an American person? I will say hello. I will ask, how are you? We will talk about food.
Perfect. That's it. Just 2, 3 what if questions every day. Ask yourself, answer yourself in English. Your brain will train, guaranteed. So let's recap. 3 exercises. Name it, mini story, and the what if game. Just 5 minutes every day. That's it. Try it for 1 week, then tell me what changed.
I'm gonna try. Starting today, name it exercise. From the kitchen.
Perfect. And you, yes, you watching right now, comment below and tell us, I will start with exercise. Which exercise will you try first? Number 1, 2, or 3? Tell us.
And don't forget to subscribe for daily English practice.
See you tomorrow. Think in English. Bye.